I'll give you a room tour. We are in room number 211. You enter, you have your cupboards, all your things here. On your left, you have the toilet. Everything is there. That's the luggage space. You have place for your, I think, oh, there's a drawer here. You can put in some things. This has a connecting door to the other room also. There's the TV. That's a king size bed. The wall painting is beautiful. There's a sofa there. There's a place that you can sit and do your work. And there's a beautiful balcony here. You get a lovely balcony. That's Taj Hotel next to us. The room is very spacious and very aesthetically done up. It portrays the Rajasthani culture. It is in the Amer region of Jaipur, very close to the Amer fort. Amer fort is just about 4 kilometers from here and far from the maddening crowd of the city center. Very peaceful place.
Oh yeah.